Good morning, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What is that?
That is my bag.
What happened?
I'm sick.
What did he say?
He said to calm down.
What did you buy?
I bought a cake.
What do you want?
I want your bicycle.
What is going on?
I'm watching TV.
Where are we?
We're in US.
Where are you?
I'm at home.
When can we meet?
We can meet tomorrow.
Why are you crying?
I'm lost.
Who is he?
He's my teacher.
What is that?
That is a pencil.
Which one do you want?
I want the red one.
Why do you lie?
I was scared.
Whose is this?
It's mine.
Where is my book?
It's in the library.
Where did you go?
I went to school.
Whose guitar is this?
This is our guitar.
Whose idea it is?
It is my idea.
When will they arrive?
They will arrive by 6 p.m.
Who is he?
He is my dad.
Who broke this?
My son broke this.
Whose friend is he?
He is my friend.
Which is mine?
This is yours.
Which is your pen?
This is my pen.
Which is our car?
This is our car.
Why are you late?
I missed my bus.
Where is your book?
It is in my bag.
How many books are there?
There are 2 books.
Who are they?
They are students.